Dirt.
Dirt TV, the latest celebrity news. Today on The Dirt, our LA reporter Renee Peterson catches up with arbitrage star Richard Gere. Exclusive.
A dedicated businessman, a family man, a man I am very lucky to call my mentor and my father.
What was it that made you say, yes, I am sewing?
It's everything about it, really. I kept looking for a downside because I'm very happy not working also. It's about the financial world, but as the movie goes on, it's not about that at all. It's the relationships. And these people, many of them, you would not expect they would know each other at all. There's different worldviews, different socioeconomic situations start to converge.
The Dirt is giving you the chance to ask Louis from One Direction a question via our Twitter page. Follow us and use the hashtag Dirt1DReporter, and Louis could be answering you.